Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This here's Portie's Garage. On today's episode, I've got you an upgrade for your 996, even your 986. We're gonna put some LED headlights in here, make this baby shine. So what we're gonna use today is our AUTOONE LED light kit. I'm gonna open this up, show you what we got inside, then we're gonna install this, and then I'll show you the differences that you can see when you're driving at night. So let's get started. Okay, let's see what's in the box. But actually, before we do that, one of the things I want to talk about is these LED lights, or any LED lights really, have a lower power consumption than your halogens. So this can cause some instability with the circuits. To kind of counteract that, they have these decoders that you can put in. Now, especially with Porsche, it can be more sensitive. I'm not sure if that's going to be an issue because this is a 99, but we'll look at both installs to kind of see what works best. If we need the decoders, if we don't need the decoders, but we've got them just in case we need them. But let's go ahead and open this up and see what we have in the box. Right, nice packaging so far, AUTOONE. Very nice. Oh, look at that. Looks like we have a little product manual in here. Give you the lowdown on the lights in here, how to install them. Should be pretty straightforward and easy. Got a nice little card here from AUTOONE. And then here's our LED headlights. Again, these are the H7 size. So look pretty easy to install. We should be able to just pop the light out, unhook the cover for it, take out the old H7 halogen, pop this in, and we should be good to go. Now again, we do have these decoders if we need them, but I'll kind of show you both ways and how we install that with the decoder and without the decoder, and then you'll have an idea of how it works both ways. So without further ado, let's get cracking. Okay guys, let me show you just how easy this AUTOONE H7 LED light bulb is to put in. First thing you do is pop it. Give you a little light here so you can see in here. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get out my trusty tool kit supplied by Porsche and get out the headlight tool, which is this tool here. Next thing I'm going to do, take off this little retainer nut. Pull this back. You'll see this little rubber grommet here. You want to pull that off, and then you insert the tool into that. And just do a little turn backwards. Takes a little twist, there we go. Then we have the light bulb out. So come over here to the bench. Real easy to take this out. Pop this. And then our light bulb is going to be this top one. First thing you want to do is pull the connector off. And then on this little metal bracket here, you push in and slightly move it up to disconnect it. And then this is going to be our H7 light bulb. Now, to replace that, we're going to put in the new one. Oop, upside down. Tab goes to the top. Put your spring connector back on. Again, press in and down. And now we're all set. If we want to use the decoder, we'd now plug that in. You plug in the two here into the connector from the light, and then these two then go onto the light bulb. Just make sure wherever you're going brown, you go with the black on that, and then the yellow to the white, and you should be good. I've hooked the other light bulb up already, and it didn't seem to have any issues, so I'm not gonna put this in unless I need to later, but good to have. Next, plug this back in. Put the cover back on. And that's it. Let's put it in the car. sure you line up your tabs. My tabs are lined up. There we go. I thought I had them lined up. There we go. Whoop. Install it. Back in. Go. Put everything back. Oop, forgot my rubber grommet. I'll light up here so you can see a little bit better. All right, now let's see how these work. Voila! Looking good. Hey, real quick before I went on a drive, I wanted to see the difference against the garage. You could see the OEM halogen versus the Auto One. Auto One, definitely superior. Hey guys, thanks for hanging with me on the upgrade for the 996. If you like this kind of content, hit the like, the subscribe, and even hit the post notifications so you know when we have our next video coming out. To kind of summarize this, these Auto One LED headlights for the 996 were a huge improvement over the OEM. I highly suggest you guys cop yourself a set for your Porsche. Now I'm going to put a link in the description below with the discount code. Please check that out and check out Portie's Garage. Keep coming back. We'll see you guys on the next one.